With every mile, the noise of the world fades away. Silence, cold, and a night in the wild. Today, I leave comfort behind to spend a night alone in the frozen wilderness.
Every step forward takes me deeper into the unknown.
The forest is quiet, frozen in time, yet full of life.
Out here, nature reminds you how small you truly are.
This place will be home for the night.
After hours of walking, I finally find the perfect place to camp. The first step is to unload and prepare.
The ground must be prepared carefully. Piece of gear matters in the cold.
Strong foundation keeps the cold away.
Cold fingers, steady focus.
Slow movements prevent mistakes.
Strong winds demand strong anchors.
From the storm is essential. A secure shelter means a peaceful night.
With the shelter ready, the wilderness feels a little less harsh.
Finding dry wood is the first challenge in winter. Step sinks into the cold ground.
Dry wood is rare, but essential. Frozen branches fight back.
Patience saves energy later.
Small pieces help start the fire. Warmth comes with effort.
Good firewood means a safer night.
The fire can begin. Water still flows, even in the coldest places.
Preparation is the key to patience.
I wait.
Fishing is not about catching, it's about being present.
Every pull carries a possibility, turns into reward.
In the wild, even a small catch feels meaningful.
Respect for nature comes before survival.
I move on.
As daylight fades,
Before fire, there must be preparation.
breathe. Can change everything.
Warmth slowly returns.
Even small warmth feels powerful here.
Fire becomes a companion.
Into pieces, ready for the fire.
Smaller pieces cook faster in the cold night. Simple food earned the hard way. And the night. Nothing tastes better out here. Hunger is gone, and so is the noise. In the quiet, the wild feels like home.
Under the stars, the night feels endless and calm.
The night ends where warmth begins.
Weight of the day slowly fades.
Rest comes easy after hard work.
Wrapped in warmth, the night finally rests.
A new day begins.
Quietly.
In the wild, every sunrise feels earned.
Preparation begins with order. Every movement matters in leaving no trace.
Everything packed, nothing left behind.
Packed tight, ready for the journey ahead.
The shelter is packed tight. Every fold counts for a clean campsite. Packed tight, ready for the trail.
Everything is in order, no trace left behind.
Every item accounted for.
One last glance. No trace remains. Leaves only footprints, soon to vanish.
Take only memories.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures.